welcome to our channel. I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
Today we're doing
a Rue21 unboxing their makeup.
Yeah. We bought some makeup. We're going to do a look and we're going to show you what we got. Alright, there we go. Let's get to it. Before we do, what do we say?
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. Okay. So.
She didn't box. I think she just got it.
We actually got this huge box.
It was open. It was like open when we first
They
got
actually
it.
had it taped with like one piece of tape. And it was open. The mail lady was like, it just opened in my truck. Surprisingly, everything was here. Now, I did go through it just to make sure because, you know, my Tarte, they messed up my stuff.
Yeah.
They did give me an extra pair. They gave me a pair of pants. These
And
aren't my
12.
size. They're size 12. They aren't my size.
Nobody's size.
So I don't know who they're going to go to. They don't fit me.
So
And I made sure, I checked my list. They didn't charge me, so they accidentally put them in there. So somebody's missing their pants. But, total, I did spend $103 minus $26.74 because I bought a hooded cardigan. It's actually in the dryer right now. I washed it. So, I got 15 items for about a little under 80 bucks.
So, I guess we can get started.
So, and they just threw everything in here. Like, if there was no bubble wrap, nothing. So, here's let's just open all the plastic real quick. Get one of everything. I got a couple of different eyeshadow palettes, but they didn't have foundation or primer.
Still my first one, so I can't get it.
I don't remember if they had concealer. I'm looking. Okay, so odds are all open.
Yeah, I took a long time.
I did put primer and foundation on my face because I wanted to do, I thought I got bronzer. They must not have had any because I made sure I got one of whatever they have. But they had all kinds of eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is one. I also got this one. And I got 2 highlighter palettes. I got a bubble mask, cleansing wipes, sugar lip scrubs, mascara. I found a rose gold oil serum, sparkling. The Book of Lashes. I was excited about this. Oh, you can't even see them. You have to open them. But there's 6 pairs.
Can we see that for last?
I just thought that was cute. Eyebrow kit. And this was a 3-pack of 1 of lip paint. So, well, I thought they had bronzer and stuff. They don't. So, I'm just going to put highlighter on my face. It's called Cosmic Glow. One's called Color Story Highlight. The Cosmic Glow is pastel colors. So, you got the Cosmic Glow. And then you have the Highlight Story. So, I don't know. The Cosmic Glow looks very powdery.
Oh my gosh. I used to prime purple.
You have to get, she just went like this and dabbed down herself.
Got it.
I mean, they're shimmery, but they're kind of like you rub it and it's going away. Ooh, that one's pretty.
What one?
This is Candlelight.
Ooh.
Try
this one, look.
They're all pretty, but they're all kind of the same. That one's kind of dark. You see it? They're all kind of the same, though.
You can see my fingerprints in there.
Yeah, well, you're supposed to rub in them. Go get my brush set. I wanted to try out the eyeshadows. So we're about to... Ooh, and it even came with a brush. This one did. A decent brush.
What the heck is that?
Oh my gosh. Pick it up. This foil eyeshadow. Which I bought that. I wanted to see what it would look like. And then I got 2 other eye palettes. Still all kinds of plastic in the inside. Which these actually kind of look the same.
That one looks pretty.
They're actually kind of very similar. very similar. One's Good Vibes and one's I Want It All by Nicole Miller.
Let me get in the camera.
And I don't remember them both being this dark, but I guess they are. Try something out of here. Let's see. I'm using their brush too. Like you can't even see anything.
It's nothing.
That was nothing. Hold on. Sometimes you have to have a good brush to get somewhere. Best color Muse and Pixie. I'm gonna put some Sin. This is like Sin's like a green color at the bottom. So the colors, there's the green one I just put on. You can't really see them. With the red one was pretty. Now these are both pretty, but they're like the same, almost exactly the same colors. I'm gonna try something out of these.
I want to try that.
This is, I don't even know what this, these have no names. That's a really pretty shimmery color, and this is from the Good Vibes Only. It's the first shade, second down. That's like, actually these are pretty shimmer colors. Yeah. If you like shimmer, try it out. So, they are shimmery, but they have color to them, but there's really no color. That's the thing with some of these cheaper.
What is that?
That's the thing with all these cheaper eyeshadow palettes. They always have color, but the color doesn't show. That's kind of what's going on. But it's that one. I Want It All. It's really pretty shimmery color. Okay, we found an eyebrow set for light medium brows. So, and it came with a little case, and it has tweezers in it, a little brow thingy brush, and then it came with brow wax, brow powder, and highlight. And then in the box there's brow gel, and it looks like a brown brow pencil. Like that could be a natural brow for her.
No.
Yeah, it can. You have to have eyebrows. Tell your people. Eyebrows, girl.
This is not my hair color. Look.
Look into the camera.
I want it on.
That looks good. You have to have brows. Now let's do the highlight. Woo! Now that is a lot. Like the whole thing just came off the brush. This is just glitter. Like, oh my gosh, this is really powdery. Okay. Really powdery and really shimmery. Look into the camera, girlfriend. Not into the mirror, into the camera. Okay, y'all. I don't know, I really like that one eyeshadow palette. We're not doing this today. We found some lip scrub and some lip balm. You have to leave the lip balm on for so long. We're gonna have another video coming with some of this stuff. But anyways, now I found this, but you're supposed to put this on before your foundation, so I can't even use it today, but it's a Rose Gold Oil Serum. I wanted to smell it. Doesn't have a smell. Doesn't really smell, but I wanted to try that. I've never really used anything like that before. And then the Book of Lashes. It's a whole book. There's 6 pairs. I'm just gonna open number 1 and see.
How about we open one every day and figure it out?
Those are pretty. They're just really thin. Pretty, really thin. I do not have luck with thin lashes because it always takes me a while to put lashes on sometimes. So I like the really thick band. Like certain brands, I have to really look and make sure I get a nice thick band to stick on. I got 3 matte lip paints.
What about this?
mascara. That can wait. That's just mascara. We also got a mascara. I might test that out later.
I'm not coming.
I don't really have lashes, so putting mascara on, even if it is a good mascara, it's not gonna make my lashes look good. So it's just, you know, not gonna probably help y'all out. But I wanted to get one of everything that I could. There was no concealer, no bronzer, no foundation. So mostly places like Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington, I've noticed they don't have like foundation and primer. Some of them people have found concealer and bronzer, but anyways, if you're putting something all over your face, don't you want a good high-end product? I know I do. I like the higher end stuff to put all over my face so I know what's in it. And I know it's not going to make my face break out. So,
hey! First, we have these two colors. It's so great in here.
So we got 3 colors. One's a reddish. And then we got 3. Oh. I'm going to try the red one.
I want the red one. I'm going to try this one. I don't know what color. I think I might have just messed up.
It's definitely matte.
Give me this.
Definitely matte. But it's drying really fast. So that's good. I don't usually wear lipstick because you know what? Usually I'm always drinking or eating something. But for real. So I don't really like lip stuff that when I go drink out of my cup, my straw, it's everywhere. Okay. And I got these beauty wipe or makeup cleansing wipes called True Beauty Collagen Anti-Aging Wipes. I want to smell them.
Wait, smell anything.
No smell. They just smell like normal.
Yeah, nothing's gonna smell.
But I also bought a bubble clay mask, and I have another mask I bought and a few other things we're gonna try in another video just to see how they work out. So, okay, Ellie, time's up. I want to try this mascara real quick. That's really the last
me.
beauty thing I have gotten from there that was makeup related. Nice. And I like the brush because it has the crazy bristles and they're spreaded out. I really like mascara like that. Like my lips, they dried. Show them your lips. They're dry. Hers are dried too.
I need chapstick.
No, the matte lip paint is
I
supposed
know,
to dry.
but before we did the video.
This is actually really good. Watch, let me see. Nothing.
What the heck? That's weird.
So that's actually a good thing.
It means you couldn't get on your drink.
I really like this mascara though.
It means you can't get on your drink.
This is really good. I'll use this.
Of course you will.
Of course I will. I bought it all. Anyway. Ooh, look at me.
Wait, just be quiet.
What are you looking at?
You.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you have black and red. Because you're red lips.
Yeah, we know. Are you just trying to lick my lips?
Does it come off?
Doesn't come off, y'all.
Maybe you can drink.
Maybe.
With your lipstick on.
So, the sugar lips and a few other things I got for our next video.
Yep. You're going to be surprised.
We're going to show y'all them. Anyway, I really like the matte lip paints. If you're looking for a good lip paint, lip gloss, lipstick, whatever that dries right away, this dried super, super fast right away. Not coming off. Lick my lips, touch my lips, still not coming off. Brow powder might be good for her.
Yeah.
It's way too light for me. I have a little bit darker brows. This eyeshadow palette, not much. The highlighter palettes, not much. I mean, no. No. It was just shimmers.
Mine.
Weird shimmers that, and then when you put it on, it would just go away. Book of Lashes. The little black Book of Lashes. Super cute. I'll try them. I really did like this. It's pretty, pretty, pretty. There's colors, but there was really no color coming off. This I'll be trying with my makeup soon. The brow gel, I haven't tried, and the brow pencil that came with the eyebrow stuff. I actually might be able to use the pencil. It looks a little darker. And I do like brow gel. I've used the, I got a little brow gel thing. I think it's Anastasia. It came with something I bought. I really like it. So if that's kind of similar, I'll probably like it too. Mascara, love it. This is the Instant Volume. They actually have 3 different ones you can choose from. Haven't used the Beauty Face Swap yet, but I'm sure I'll like them because I like them all as long as it gets my makeup off my face. And yeah, so we did get quite a bit. Not a bad price. I mean, if you're going to Ulta or Sephora and you bought this many items, you'll be looking at a couple hundred. Yeah, I told you what I liked and what I didn't like. You know, I could ask her, but she likes everything. Don't you? Everything. It don't care. She don't care. If it's clear lip gloss, she loves it, don't you? She can't. Nah, but for real though. So, and Tarte really did forget my lashes, so if you didn't watch that video, it was real. The alarm's going off.
I don't know.
But they really did. That's why when I got this package, I got so many items. They actually got everything right, and they actually accidentally gave me a brand new pair of jeans that don't fit, so it didn't get me nowhere. But yeah, so like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Woohoo!
What was that for?
What was that for?
Stop
I just got her in the nose. Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Stop.
Stop.
I knew that was going to happen.
We gotta turn this camera off. Goodbye, y'all.